Let's consider the equation 3x plus 11 equal to 3 times x plus 4. The first step in solving this is to simplify, so I want to clear the parentheses. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 4 is 12. We then want to get our variables on one side, so I'm going to try to move this 3x over. In order to do that, I need to subtract 3x from both sides. 3x minus 3x is 0, so the left-hand side is just 11. 3x minus 3x is 0, so the right-hand side is 12. So now we have 11 equal to 12. So the question is, when is that true? When is 11 equal to 12? And the answer is never. So this would have no solution. There is no number that I could plug in for x to get a valid solution. So this linear equation has absolutely no solution. What about this one? Negative 2 times x plus 3 equal to negative 2x minus 6. Let's start by simplifying. Negative 2 times x is minus 2x. Negative 2 times 3 is minus 6. Now, when I try to add 2x to both sides to get the variables together, the left-hand side becomes negative 6. The right-hand side is negative 6. So when is negative 6 equal to negative 6? Well, the answer is always. So this solution is actually all real numbers. Any number you plug in for x is going to be a solution. So these are the two kind of strange things that could happen. We can get one solution, which is what happens most of the time. We could get no solutions, this equation is never true. Or we could get all real numbers, this equation is always true. So let's look at a few more examples. Here we have 3x plus 7x plus 1 is equal to 2 times 5x plus 1. On the left-hand side, we can simplify 3x plus 7x is 10x plus 1. On the right-hand side, we can distribute 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times 1 is 2. We then subtract 10x from both sides. When we do, the left-hand side becomes 1, the right-hand side becomes 2. So we get 1 equal to 2, which tells me this is no solution since it is impossible for 1 to be equal to 2. Another example, 4 times x plus 1 equal to 4 times 2 minus x. Let's distribute. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is 4. On the right-hand side, 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times minus x is minus 4x. So let's add 4x to both sides of this equation. The left-hand side, 4x plus 4x is 8x plus 4. The right-hand side has an 8, and then minus 4x plus 4x is 0. We can subtract 4 from both sides. When we do, the left-hand side becomes 8x, the right-hand side becomes 4. Dividing by 4 gives me x is equal to 4 over 8, or 1/2. So in this case, I actually got a single solution. Next, 6 times x plus 1 plus 5 equal to 13 minus 2 plus 6x. Let's start by simplifying. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 1 is 6. And then I have a plus 5. The right-hand side, 13 minus 2 plus 6x. Now let's combine things. The right-hand side has a 6 plus 5, that's 11. The left-hand side, 13 minus 2, or the right-hand side, 13 minus 2 is 11. If I subtract 6x from both sides, the left-hand side, the 6x's cancel, and I'm just left with 11. The right-hand side has 11, and once again, the 6x minus 6x cancels. 11 equal to 11 is always true, so my solution is all real numbers.